What up mga solid subscribers, no? So unang-una sa lahat, no, I would like to congratulate Legit Status po, no, sa syempre sila po ay gold medalist po again, no, once again, no, sa HHI, sa HHI guys, so Hip Hop International guys, na isa yan sa mga sobrang solid na dance competition po talaga sa international guys, so, international scene po talaga, no? Like kung meron tayong meron tayong Olympics. For me, yung Hip Hop International, siya maturing ko na parang FIBA or yun ng FIBA or Olympics ng ng dance community guys. So, talagang grabe, dinadayo talaga siya, and ang daming mga bansa ang nagko-compete po talaga diyan guys, as in napaka solid po, no. So una sa lahat guys, panoorin po muna natin syempre yung performance po na Legit Status. And meron po guys na may kumakalat ngayon na ng parang I don't know kung pwede siyang issue or what, pero alam mo yun, may kumakalat siya ngayon and let's talk about that guys. Pero for now guys, panoorin po natin tong Legit Status, no. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Kaya. Kala ko hindi kaya. Mamaya yung converge nag-abnormal na naman. Kaya hindi ko pinang 4K. Let's go. Kaya 4K. Let's go, kid. Hey, head flip. Legit status talaga. Ooh! Pog Ray. Narinig yung galaw eh. I mean yung movement, saktong-sakto sa beat. Dami na ng mga highlight na ginagawa talaga. Woo! Hey! Yeah, ang smooth na, no? Yung slide. Oh! Nice. Woo! Grabe, difficulty level nun. Medyo na siya. Stumble siya. Loads lang. Nice. Oh. Ay, grabe. Ay. Oh! Putik yung recovery. Let's go, Tang. Solid.
Representing the Philippines, make some noise for legit status.
Legit talaga ang status nila, no? Since sobrang very well represented naman ng ating bansa, guys. Solid talaga ng legit status, no? Wala akong masabi. So guys, ito babasahin natin to, no? Pero I think ayoko nang pumunta ron sa video, no? In respect din po syempre sa legit status, no? And ayoko na lang din kumalat or kung ano man yun, no? I think basahin na lang po na itong kanilang statement about this one, okay? Yan, okay, basahin natin to, guys, no? Actually guys, ako kahit ako nalalabuan ako, hindi ko malaman kung ano talaga pinaka-storya, no? Napanood ko lang yung video, no? May nagka-curse something doon, no? Na, okay, basahin na lang natin. With humility, we write this message to extend our most sincere apologies to VPIPs, the whole PUPIPs family, and to their parents and supporters. Okay, so nag-apologize ang legit status, no? Sa VPs or sa PIPs family, no? There are videos circulating that have been offensive and disrespectful towards VPIPs, no? We would like to express our immense disappointment and regret by the actions of some of our members, okay? We understand the pain and distress this has caused to many, and for this, we sincerely apologize. VPIPs has been the standard since nationals leading up to worlds. We have always looked at them with respect as solid members of the community. There are moments when words fall short, and this is one of them. What happened was deeply disappointing, not just to those we offended, but everyone who expected better from us. We fully recognize and will never tolerate something wrong, especially if it comes from our own. Rest assured that necessary actions have been already taken with regard to those who are directly involved. We are in constant communication with their head coach, Chips Beltran, no? Sir Chips Beltran, and are very grateful for his understanding and openness. We fully understand the reaction towards the incident, but please note too that this is not a representation of legit status family. The values within our team and our respects for fellow competitors as one family, we sincerely offer our heartfelt apologies, no? So gusto ko yung line na ito for me, ito yung nagustuhan ko dito, no? That this is not a representation of the legit status family, no? So discuss natin yan, guys, no? Kasi ang nangyayari, yung mga ganyan like meron mga member po talaga na alam mo yun, sad to say or masakit man sabihin, pero mga ignorant po pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay, no? Ilang beses na kayo pinaalalahanan ng coach nyo, ilang beses na kayo sinabihan ng mga do's and don'ts or what, no? Pero alam mo yun, since akala nila okay lang, 'di ba? Akala nila hindi mag-viral, no? So okay lang nagawin nila pag ganun, no, 'di ba? Which is mali, no? Ang sa atin lang naman, guys, is dapat irespeto natin kung ano man mangyari, kung anong resulta, 'di ba, no? Kasi at the end of the day, hindi naman kasalanan 'yan ng competing team, or kung sino man nanalo, hindi nila kasalanan 'yan, no? Kung or actually hindi siya kasalanan, tama, hindi nila kasalanan, no? Kung meron kayong ipipinpoint, no, for me, i-ano nyo, I think pwede yung mga judges, no? Pwede yung mga judges, no? Pero guys, don't get me wrong, yung si HHI, guys, no? Hindi naman yan katulad nung sa, again, guys, hindi ako magbabanggit, pero marami na papabalita ngayon, di ba, sa mga amateur dance contest, which is sa mga barangayan, no? Sa mga barangayan, no? Meron talagang sobrang out of this world na mga decisions, no? Di ba? Yung mga ganun, guys. Pero guys, hindi nyo ibahin nyo ang HHI kasi guys, sobrang fair niyan, sobrang trained po talaga. Lahat po ng mga judges dyan dumaan sa seminar, matinding ewan ko kung tawag, basta pagkakatanda ko, sabi sa akin, nakagrupo ko, no? Dumaan sila talaga sa mga seminar trainings, no? So hindi siya basta-basta masabi lang na judge ka, ikaw na ang judge dyan, no? Hindi ganoon yan, guys, no? So kung meron kayong dapat i-blame, I think hindi yung kalaban nyo, kung sa HHI man to, hindi rin yung mga judges, no? I think wala kayong dapat i-blame, for me, wala kayong dapat i-blame, kung meron kayong dapat i-blame, I think yung sarili nyo na lang, no, di ba? Kasi ibig sabihin siguro, ay may kulang pa ako, ay meron pa siguro kaming hindi nagagawa na bakit mas higit sa amin tong grupo na to, no? I think meron kaming kailangan pang gawin, no? Baka sa stamina, sa part na to, humina kami. Kailangan ko pa siguro palakasin pa mismo yung stamina ko, yung cardio ko, or what. Tapos kailangan ko pa talagang maging matikas yung braso ko. Kailangan siguro maging flexible enough pa ako para magawa yung ibang mga choreographies or stunts, no, di ba? So, I think, i-blame natin sarili natin kung ba't tayo hindi nanalo, no? Lagi nyo tatandaan, guys, no? Hindi nyo kalaban yan mga yan, no? Ang kalaban nyo lang palagi dyan is sarili nyo, no? Hindi, kasi guys, hindi naman yan parang basketball na etong ganito guys, mga dance competition, hindi yan parang basketball na hindi mo alam gagawin ng kalaban mo na biglang lulusot pala rito or biglang aagawin yung bola. Hindi guys, sobrang rehearse nyo na yung mga dapat nyong gawin, no? It's up to you na lang guys kung paano mo siya i-deliver, no? So ayun yung difference niya guys. Maliban na lang kung freestyle dancer kayo guys, no? Hindi nyo, or freestyle performer kayo, no? Hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin or kung anong ibibitaw ng music, di ba? Or bibitaw ng kalaban nyo, no? So, ayun lang guys. Respect one another lang, no? Huwag tayong mag-ignorant kasi isang bagay lang na ginawa nyong kamalian, no, is magre-reflect po yan sa grupong kinabibilangan nyo po, no? So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat, no? So, this is Point of View signing out. Peace. Let's see.